Listen and repeat. Drink. I drink water every day.
I drink water every day.
I drank water yesterday.
I drank water yesterday.
Sleep. I sleep early every day.
I sleep early every day.
I slept early yesterday.
I slept early yesterday.
Eat. I eat breakfast every day.
I eat breakfast every day.
I ate breakfast yesterday.
I ate breakfast yesterday.
Watch. I watch TV every day.
I watch TV every day.
I watched TV yesterday.
I watched TV yesterday.
Run. I run every day.
I run every day.
I ran yesterday.
I ran yesterday.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel for more English lessons.